On the one hand, Rahul Gandhi was doing theatrics and diversionary tactics just 72 hours before the examination in Kota. And on the other hand, his own government was not even ready to change the time of rally even by hours or even by certain minutes, just to ensure that none of the participants of the NEET examination should have any problem.
जी 3 लोग नहीं लिखे नीट बैंगलोर में, एक मागड़ी रोड से आया है, दूसरा ओल्ड पुराना हॉल टिकट लेकर आया है, तीसरा आरटी नगर से लेटा है. एंड 1 second 11 AM the gates open, 1:30 PM you're supposed to report. बायोमेट्रिक भी है, स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स है. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका has issued traffic advisory. We have also issued a helpline. So show me which BJP government has done this. Mr. Surya should first come out and apologize for what the central government has been doing for the students. They are playing with the lives of students for the last 12 years. In the last decade alone, 89 paper leaks have happened. 89 paper leaks. Has Mr. Surya or any of the MPs come out in favor of students? If you are so keen, I challenge you to put the Prime Minister for a परीक्षा पे चर्चा करते हैं ना प्रधानमंत्री, एक डाल दीजिए, एक बैठक डाल दीजिए. 1 second. Let Mr. Modi have a परीक्षा पे चर्चा along with Mr. Tejaswi Surya and all the students. You think the students are going to talk to them in a curated fashion? And if the Congress government has to be blamed here for 3 students not writing NEET, then Delhi also people missed. So Delhi government is responsible. In Maharashtra also they missed. Madhya Pradesh also they missed. So that respective government, those respective governments are responsible. And more importantly, if Mr. Tejaswi Surya has forgotten, last time when a student missed or the train was delayed, the court fined 9 lakhs. Did he ask for Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav's resignation? Did he ask for Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation? See, we should not bother about Mr. Tejaswi Surya much. He just does things to please his bosses. I think he's looking for a ministerial berth in the imminent reshuffle. करने दीजिए उसको नाटक, पहले उसी वही तो करता है. पिछले 5-6 साल से 7 साल से MP है. एक भी कंट्रीब्यूशन है बैंगलोर के लिए उनका? कहीं उनके गलती आपके ऊपर? जी 3 लोग नहीं लिखे नीट बैंगलोर में, एक मागड़ी रोड से आया है, दूसरा ओल्ड पुराना हॉल टिकट लेकर आया है, तीसरा आरटी नगर से लेटा है. एंड 1 second 11 AM the gates open, 1:30 PM you're supposed to report. So, बायोमेट्रिक भी है, स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर्स है. The government of Karnataka has issued traffic advisory. We have also issued a helpline. So show me which BJP government has done this.
AIADMK has also made the same allegation. They've said that the Karnataka Congress could have held this event on any
AIADMK is still in existence.
Sir, many parents in Malveshwar also said the same thing, that in Palace Ground it caused inconvenience.
Sir, there were, see, Bangalore always has a huge mobility problem. That is a known fact. That is why we have issued a traffic advisory. No, you should blame us if we have not issued a traffic advisory, or if we have been lazing around. We have issued traffic advisory. We have ensured that there is a dedicated helpline, and thousands of people wrote. Yes, even one person missing out is a bad thing. It's unfortunate. Now, can I be held responsible for a student who has not taken the right hall ticket? Can I be held responsible for one of the students who did not take the right bus from Magadi? See, whatever it is, we are sympathetic. But if you want to play politics, we are ready for that also. First you apologize for the leaks. First you make the NTA chairperson resign. Then you make Dharmendra Pradhanji resign. Then you come and talk to me.
सीधा सवाल राहुल गांधी. The news which has come in media is quite disturbing and heartening, as there are several students which have been denied to appear in the NEET examination in Bengaluru because of the rally of the Karnataka Congress President B.K. Hariprasad. On the one hand, Rahul Gandhi was doing theatrics and diversionary tactics just 72 hours before the examination in Kota. And on the other hand, his own government was not even ready to change the time of rally even by hours or even by certain minutes, just to ensure that none of the participants of the NEET examination should have any problem. This shows that for Congress party, the politics is above and the so-called concern of the student is far below in their priority. And moreover, it's more significant as the guardians of those students who couldn't reach to their examination center have written a letter to Rahul Gandhi ji. Now it's not just a question raised by a few guardians whose children have been denied or were not able to reach. It's a grave question for Congress party, as you are not in opposition everywhere. You are in the ruling government also in certain states, and there you are doing sheer politics, not concerned with the students. On the other hand, there is a news in media that when Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji came back from Kolkata, he stayed for 45 minutes at Delhi airport just to ensure that those students who are going to appear in the NEET examination should not have any difficulty because of the traffic stops when Prime Minister's movement is there. So this shows the categorical difference between what the attitude of BJP, NDA under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is concerned and what is the suspicious, dubious attitude